Welcome back to Lunifyrex. I am going to show you the easiest approach to run Ollama in Colab. I will also teach you how to pull models from Ollama and Hugging Face. First, we install Ollama using pip install ollama. We then import OS library and subprocess library. We are going to use these libraries to run commands on the Linux terminal. Note that Colab is running on Linux environment. This is why we can run Linux commands. Next, we are going to test if the libraries are properly communicating with the terminal. If correctly communicating, it should return the Python version. Next, we are going to install Ollama into Colab via terminal using subprocess and also downloading Llama 3.2 1B instruct model from Hugging Face. Go to Hugging Face and click on Use this model. Select Ollama and copy the link. Then paste it on the model name. Run the cell. This should take some time to download and load the model into GPU. It is done downloading. The next step is to verify if the model is in Ollama using Ollama list. Notice the model has been listed. We can now use the model using the Ollama library we installed in the beginning. We do this by copying the exact name of the model we got from Ollama list. Then we ask the model a simple question, "What is AI?" and wait for a response. The model has given a good answer. You can see it generated its answers very fast. Part of the reasons is because it is a small model. Next, we are going to pull Qwen 3.14b model directly from Ollama. Just go to ollama.com, search for Qwen 3.14b, copy the model name. Then Ollama pull the model name. In our case, the model name is Qwen 3:14b. Now it is done downloading. Now let's test it with a simple prompt using "What animal has this sound meow?" and then run the cell. Because this is a thinking model, it is going to take more time to display the result. You can see it has given a wonderful answer, well composed, and it knows that it is a cat that has that sound. As a bonus, I will also teach you how to stream output. Just run this cell and you are good to go. The advantage of this is you do not have to wait for the entire results to be generated, thereby making the process more interactive. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to get more beautiful contents like this. Thanks for watching.